Which one should we build first, guys? The Traxxas Bigfoot 50th, or really quick, if we do build the 50th first, guys, well, we can't because we don't have the special parts. Yeah, I'm having a bunch of special parts made, so you're gonna have to stay tuned. Maybe we should build this already upgraded Traxxas XRT first. What do you think? And some of you might be wondering, Chris, what are you talking about? Build them up. Well, guys, I own Pnwrcmadness, and I stock all of the parts to upgrade your Traxxas Xmaxxes, XRTs, and many others. And check this out. These are the parts we're gonna stick on that bad boy. I think we're gonna use silver shocks on the XRT, or maybe silver on the Xmaxx. Would you just look at this thing? Look at it, guys. It's already got a ton of upgrades. We got the Traxxas 7075 steering links. Man, these are my absolute favorite steering links, by the way. And unfortunately, I don't carry these ones on my website. One of my local buddies, Doug, built this XRT, and look at this, guys. He already added a few of the Pnwrcmadness parts. We got the Pnwrcmadness belt drive, motor mount, ESC Caddy, and I believe that's about it. But we're about to upgrade this thing with a ton more parts. Ah, good Lord, guys. This is X-Maxx or X-Truck number 3. Should we build the Traxxas Xmaxx Ultimate next? So unfortunately, guys, for all these trucks, the 50th, I have to have parts made, special colors. I think if you watched the last video, you'll see what I'm having made. And then, guys, I can't work on this truck yet because I'm still missing parts. I have to order a motor, I have to order plastics, and we just don't have them yet. So there's only one more truck I could start on. Which one is it gonna be, guys? Well, it's gonna be this one right here, guys. Yes, you see it correctly. We are gonna build a humongous Traxxas Xmaxx Xmonster in green. So this is something that's kind of crazy and kind of new to me. Normally, when you buy a body, usually any body, a Traxxas Xmaxx body, a Sledge body, a Max body, any of those bodies, guys, they don't come in a box. So I just want to show you guys the box because I know some people are infatuated with boxes and they save their boxes, and well, Traxxas put a lot of time into just manufacturing their box. Look at that. Xmaxx MT assembled body. Let's pull it out and see what it looks like. So right here on the end of the box is gonna tell you which one we have. We got the green one, and then check this out, guys. These are, ooh, come on, focus there. All right, check this out, guys. These are officially licensed General Motors by Chevrolet bodies. Super sick, super awesome. Already pre-painted, probably has a sticker kit. I don't know, let's get it out. Oh man, look at that. So there it is, guys. Normally that's exactly, oh, look at it. That's exactly how they come. They come in plastic, but there it is. I've been wanting to see one myself. I haven't really seen one, so hopefully, oh, look at that, guys. Oh man. Don't detune yet. There's one more thing I'm gonna show you before I end the video, but man, this thing is awesome. Super nice, guys. Has the same latch as the 50th Bigfoot, and it comes with the cage. That's what it means when already assembled. Well, besides the body, and we got the green one, as you can see, comes with a little sticker on top. Let me show you that, guys. But besides the body, what else makes this truck an Xmonster? Traxxas has created a brand new Chevron style monster truck looking gold and white Traxxas Xmaxx Xmonster tire. All right, so what else makes this truck a Xmonster Xmaxx besides the body, guys? Well, besides Traxxas charging you 4 arms and 2 legs for their body, they also charge you 4 arms and 2 legs for these amazing tires, guys. Check these things out. Chevron style. They are making a gold and they're also making a white version. And yes, guys, they are light and they are also bigger than the stock Xmaxx Ultimate and normal size standard Xmaxx tires. All right, so here they are up close. Check it out. There is your Xmonster tire. There is your Bigfoot 50th tire, and then guys, check it out. That's going to be your stock size Xmaxx tire, and you can't really tell, but if we put them side by side, you can see the Xmonster is actually a little bit taller. It's a bit wider as well, and I'm sure, well, let's go ahead and weigh it up. Okay, so besides the size difference, I'll have to get a tape measure out to measure them, but let's go ahead and I'll tell you guys what the difference of weight is. So a stock Xmaxx tire is going to weigh, and I know you can't see it, it weighs 1 pound 4 ounces. Guys, this is incredible. 1 pound 4 ounces. This thing is bone dry, not a drop of water in it. White Xmonster feels a little bit heavier. Exactly, it's 1 pound 12 ounces, guys. 1 pound 12 ounces. Xmonster belted tire. 50th anniversary Xmaxx. Bigfoot. 1 pound 12 ounces. 1 pound 12 ounces. 1 pound 12 ounces, 0.2. 1 pound 12 ounces, 0.4. Wow. All right, that's crazy, guys. So the gold plated tire weighs more than the white one. So if you want to know, this one weighs the most. All right, one last comparison, guys. They're about the same height, a little bit wider than your J-Concept Magmas, but the Magma weighs 2 pounds, 3.5 ounces. Okay, so there are a couple more things I want to show you guys because we are going to build the biggest, baddest, most greenest Xmaxx Xmonster with the Xbrace / ESC Caddy in the world. Not only that, guys, we're going to build the most brightest colored with all the lights in the world from the Traxxas Funko. Check it out, guys. Let me show you what we're going to install on this truck. All right, so guys, in order to put lights on your truck, you're gonna wanna buy the Traxxas light kit. That's gonna be part number TRA7885. That's $100. It's not cheap. Second thing you're gonna need to buy, and I'll try to leave all the links in the description below as my good friend Tim Myers left them for me. You're gonna wanna buy 2 whips, and boy, are these things beefy. These are not little, they are, first time I've seen them, guys, these things are awesome. Next thing you're gonna wanna buy, you're gonna wanna buy part number 10998 in blue. This is gonna be your underbody lights that sit in the side pods where the side guards go. I'm not quite sure if we're gonna use these ones yet. We're still waiting on the front bumper, but the front bumper, guys, has a spot for the headlight. So if you buy the Xmonster front bumper and you want to run the light kit, you want to make sure you're buying the Xmaxx Monster bumper with the cutout. Anyways, guys, we got the rear bumper, still waiting on the front. And last but not least, guys, I'm going to show you guys all the other parts I'm using to build up the truck, the GPM parts, the Pnwrcmadness parts. Guys, we're going to run this bad boy in 12S with this huge monster. But the last few pieces that I'm going to use, you're going to need part number 7694. That is going to be your whip light mount. You're going to need 2 of those. You're going to need part number 2261. That's just going to be a Y connector. And you're also going to need 2 of those as well. Guys, I think that's about it. So thanks for watching the channel. Stay tuned. I'm going to get started right away on building up this truck. I'm going to show you guys start to finish, everything I've done. I dyed the chassis first, I put the wrap on, and then I'm gonna start with building the diff. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thanks for watching the channel. Please do leave me a like, a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will leave the links below.